According to the universe theory, energy is power of life. Without this power, universe would fall apart. It penetrates the earth, human, every speck of matter. Even in ancient times, people were searching for energy. Centuries have gone, and human learned to convert nature energy to energy of own life. The accumulator battery A-Mega is a life power that meets customers' demands and expectations. For the present day, the Megatex company is one of the biggest industries in starter lead-acid batteries manufactured for vehicles in the CIS countries. Project capacity of the enterprise is 3 million batteries per year. Main part of industry includes 500 equipment units. Plant is equipped with high-tech machinery of well-known companies such as Wirtz, Lico, Sovima, Digitron, Oxmaster, CMEC, CMW, Kustan, Imbatech, Hongik, BTS, and its commissioning was performed by highly skilled manufacturers' technicians. Besides this, all the staff learned the details and secrets of battery production in Germany, Canada, Korea, and in other countries. It was taught by first-class specialists. The main company's advantage is working in closed cycle of production without purchasing of main components from the other manufacturers. Current products assortment is represented by batteries for cars and trucks of European and Asian types. Manufactured batteries are divided into several basic models: M2, M3, M5, M7, and M7 Plus. That allows us to offer to our customers the batteries of different price ranges. Battery production. Accumulator batteries are manufactured by the Megatex LLC under the innovative hybrid technology with use of bivalent metals. In batteries of these models, both for positive and negative electrodes, cast grid is used. Production of cast grid is performed under hybrid technology on the Wirtz grid casting machines. For positive grid, lead doped with selenium is used, and for negative grid, lead alloy doped with calcium. Due to this factor, the battery has high resistance to deep discharge in comparison with batteries where both grids are doped with calcium. In 2014, by following the market tendencies, a new Canadian equipment from the BTS company for grid production via rotary expanding of lead-calcium strip was installed. The advantage of this method is production of a thin grid that allows increasing the number of plates in a battery, what in its turn increases starting characteristics of the battery. At this, both electrodes are produced from calcium alloy. Lead oxide production as main component for paste preparing is carried out by lead nuggets of a fully automatic Sovima complex. For paste preparing, a fully automated Oxmaster mixer is used. Pasting process is performed on the Optimac machine. Pasted plates are put into the Catelli curing chambers, where they are exposed to the controlling curing process. Dividing process of double pasted plates, cutting and dressing of lugs is carried out on the Mac Parter plate cutting machine. assembly process is carried out on 3 assembling lines and consists of plates enveloping, plates formation into blocks, blocks welding, and installing into cells of battery box. Block soldering process is carried out on the COS machine, where the following procedures step-by-step are performed. Plates aligning in blocks, lugs cleaning and flux applying for oxidation removing, lugs soldering to bridges, and installing of ready blocks into the battery case. Battery assembling is performed on a fully automatic LECO assembly line and consists of the following stages: plate short circuit test before intercell welding, circuit test after intercell welding, lid welding, posts welding, leakage test, battery number marking. Charge formation is run on the CMEC charging water baths and on the Megatex formation modules. For the first charge formation, the unique computer software is used which allows to track and perform corrections of whole charging process in automatic mode, maintaining set balance between electrolyte temperature and charging current. Finishing line includes washing, drying, testing, individual marking, battery packing, and formation of pallets. In 2014, a new assembling line for car batteries was installed, and it consists of enveloping and stacking machine, automatic loader, COS machine, automatic plates blocks loader for battery box, fully automatic combi machine, machine for welding lids to the boxes, posts welding machine, leakage tester, marking device. Installation of this line will increase production capacity and allow reaching a new level of quality in correspondence to our customers' requirements. In manufacturing, cycle boxes of own production are used, as well as Camino Euro lids with central gas outlet and improved flame arrestor filter that greatly increases reliability and safety of battery. Grid structure is modified. Grid lug is shifted to the center, which greatly improves the electrical characteristics of grid. Separator envelopes made from microporous polyethylene are used in production cycle to protect the grid from short circuit. Improved innovative hybrid technology ensures maintenance-free batteries. Special sealing rings are used to provide maximum sealing of intercell connections. It greatly decreases the battery self-discharge and increases battery service life. Battery recycling. We consider it goes without saying that our production and activity should have minimal impact on environment. We are working for further improvements of effectiveness of energy usage and polluting emissions reduction. One of the main of our challenges consists in the statement that the Megatex company must be a leader in its field in environmental protection. To reach this goal, we tend to cohesive idea, constant improving, and technical development of ecological program at the enterprise, which pays much attention to environmental protection and ecology, making production process maximally ecological and harmless. One of the components of ecological compatibility is battery recycling. Recycling of hazardous waste is carried out on the Italian fully mechanized Seri equipment, which allows not only to recycle batteries, but to receive new products from the wastes, such as sodium sulfate and polymeric concentrate. Total amount of recycled material constitutes 7,000 tons per year. While own lead ores are absent in Ukraine, its secondary resources, the main of which is lead-acid battery scrap, are gaining great importance. The unit of complex recycling of battery scrap at the Megatex LLC was run for battery scrap recycling and further obtaining of raw materials for their use in battery production. Launching of this unit became another step on the way of closed-cycle production creation, anticipating totally waste-free production where all wastes collected from operation may be recycled and used in the other production unit. Foreign equipment installed at this unit allows performing recycling of battery scrap by dividing material after grinding into fractions for its further processing, and also recycling of electrolyte with obtaining of crystallized sodium sulfate, which is used at glass factories and in detergents production. As a result of battery scrap recycling, we obtain the following types of commercial goods: mineral salt, sodium sulfate, and polymeric concentrate. Metals and alloys fabrication. At Metallurgical Production Unit, technological process of metallurgical processing of lead containing burden materials is carried out, and on its basis, lead and its alloys are obtained. The modern metallurgical production unit of the Megatex LLC allows to obtain 20,000 tons of lead and its alloys per year without increasing of impact on environment. Technological process of metallurgical processing includes the following stages: meltback of prepared raw materials, black lead refining from impurities to obtain brand-type lead and its alloys, refined black lead casting into pigs. Total amount of brand-type lead fabrication is 15,000 tons per year. Melting of prepared material to obtain black lead is performed on the melting complex from the Italian manufacturer, which allows carrying out grabbing of burden materials and its load into melting pot in fully automatic and mechanized mode. In 2014, new equipment for production of lead strip and grid under rotary expansion method was launched. Production process of lead calcium strip is carried out via casting lead dummy and multi-stage rolling on equipment from the South Korean manufacturer Hung Kik, and consists of several units. Appearing of new technologies in the scope of extension program allows not only move the enterprise on a new level, but makes it possible to manufacture competitive production as per requirements of constantly changing market. Polypropylene manufacturing and injection molding unit for production of battery cases and lids. Polypropylene production is an important component in general production cycle of accumulator batteries. This unit was put into operation in 2012 and became another step on the way of creation of closed-cycle production. Obtained polypropylene pellets are raw materials for production of main polypropylene components of accumulator batteries, lids, and cases. At a new workshop with modern injection molding machines from Austrian manufacturer Ingel, production of cases and lids of unique design with corporate symbol of the Megatex LLC is carried out. Lid of own production is used almost for all accumulators produced by the Megatex LLC. At production of lids and cases, the control of many important parameters is carried out, due to which it's possible to exclude defective products.
In the year 2015, after analyzing market's demand, Megatex LLC significantly increased production volumes by establishing Megatex Industrial LLC, brand new batteries manufacturing plant. The new plant is located in Starokonstantinov city, Khmelnytskyi region. It is one of the most progressive factories in Ukraine. The common area of the plant is 12,000 square meters. The production capacity is 3 million batteries in assortment. There are more than 500 equipment units involved in the process of manufacturing. All equipment startup and staff trainings were performed by high-qualified specialists from Austria, Germany, Italy, South Korea, Canada, and United States. Megatex Industrial LLC provides customers with all basic types of batteries, all required technical characteristics, and all price solutions. Our products are suitable for Asian and European cars and trucks. We produce following models: M2, M3, M5, and M7. All batteries at Megatex Industrial LLC are produced under calcium-calcium technology. Calcium-calcium grid production consists of lead strip perforation and its rotary expansion to achieve the grid, then can be pasted on both sides. This is called rotary expanded technology. As a first step, lead ingots are supplied to the melting pot. Then melted lead is supplied to the thread ring rotating crystallizer mold. Formed lead strip is supplied to the rolling press and run through several grades of rolls with calibrated clearance. The produced strip is warped on the bobbin and goes to the storage rack system. Plates production line of Megatex Industrial LLC consists of Plates rotary expansion line by Battery Technology Solutions, Canada. Paste mixer by Mars, United States. Active mass application line by Mach, United States. The production capacity is 650 single plates per minute. The lead strip of the required thickness is automatically supplied to the perforation module. Further on, it is expanded and rolled in order to attain required thickness before the pasting stage. Double-sided pasting includes direct contact between grid and electrolyte, thereby decreasing battery runout. Also, perforation gives the possibility to decrease plate's weight without loss of durability. The unique paste formula that is used for all-hour batteries allows reaching high reserve capacity and cold cranking amps, as well as stable characteristics during the whole lifetime of the batteries. Then plates go to the cutting unit and the unit of the preliminary drying. After that, all plates are stacked on specially constructed cancelled pallets and moved to curing chambers, where they go through the controllable process of treatment in accordance with curing technology. Proper oxidation processes occur in the active mass. After that, the plates get the mechanical strength to be ready for the next stage of battery assembly and charging. Fully automatic programs give perfect conditions for oxidation processes, regular drying, and for dehumidification. That is one of the most important conditions for further charging. Angle injection molding machines, Austria, for production of cases, covers, and other components. Polypropylene is used the raw material for cases and covers. The assembly line for car batteries, consisting of enveloping and stacking machine, automatic loader, cast machine, groups of plates automatic stacking machine, fully automatic combined machine, heat sealing machine, terminals welding machine, leakage tester, marking device. Implementation of this assembly line not only increased our productivity, but also allowed us to reach the new quality level to satisfy the requirements of our customers. Charging process runs at TMAC charging water baths and at Inbatag formation modules. For the first charge, the unique computer software is used, which allows to track and to correct the whole charging process automatically, maintaining preset balance between electrolyte temperature and charging current. Finishing line includes washing unit, drying unit, testing unit, individual marking unit, battery packing unit, and pallet information unit. Test parameters of finished product: open circuit voltage, load test, disruptive discharge test, nomenclature and standards of sticker positioning compliance, meeting demands of battery individual packing, compliance with rules of positioning and rules of shipping package on pallets. Batteries manufactured by Megatex Industrial LLC are frequently used by drivers in more than 15 countries. Perfect quality of the product, its promotion on the world's market, and brand recognition allows to expand the sales geography and to increase the number of customers. Using experience of the world's best specialists in metallurgy and batteries production, we create batteries for those who value reliability and love their cars.